Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by accessing device's settings. After that, scroll down and click on Password and Security. Then you need to click on Screen Lock over here and tap on one of those login methods by clicking on the best one for you. Pattern, PIN or complex password. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter your login method and tap on Next in order to continue. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and select Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!